The DM-2 is the auto-cleaning needlepoint bipolar ionization system designed for indoor duct mounting. Before you start the installation, confirm you have the following items from your DM-2 shipment: DM-2 air ionization system, mounting ring, 4 expanding anchors with screws, 4 self-drilling sheet metal screws. You will also need a 4-inch hole saw or snips, appropriate conduit and wiring. The DM-2 should be installed as close to the conditioned space as possible, as this will minimize losses throughout the ductwork. For VAV and other mixing box installations, install the product on the discharge or supply side of the box. Remove the 4 fasteners from the DM-2 to open the device. Connect the appropriate conduit and fitting as necessary for the application. Route the wires and make connections according to the label located on the product. Tighten the strain relief clamp to hold the wires, being careful not to damage them. To begin the installation, ensure power to the HVAC equipment and the DM-2 has been disconnected. Now find a good location for the DM-2 and cut a 4-inch round hole in the duct. Insert the mounting ring in the hole. Orient the mounting ring using the integrated bubble level for horizontal and vertical duct runs. Using the supplied fasteners, attach the mounting ring to the duct. Turn the DM-2 counterclockwise from the final installation orientation and insert it into the mounting ring. Rotate the DM-2 clockwise until you hear a click and the connection feels secure. The DM-2 comes with a factory preset cleaning cycle designed to clean the emitters once every day.